I'm interested in engineering overall and how about the world works. My dream job is to work with classic cars and restoring them. Those T-levels brought it out in me, knowing that I do like them quite a lot, and I'd love to do a job with restoring them and working with them.
Phoenix's journey, he was a good student academically at foundation year, but needed to increase his confidence with the practical and also with some of the theory work.
I'm looking forward to more of the machining work we're doing here, because as we move on, we're going to be using more of the different machines. There's only you know how to use a couple, but we're going to be learning how to use the mills, some CNC machines. To get into my next step, which is the T-level after this year, is I need to pass my English reset, but I also need to get a merit profile overall, but I'm on track for that, so hopefully I'll get it. Before I went into this course, I wasn't that interested in engineering, or wasn't really thinking about it much. I wasn't very excited to start it, but once I started it, I was really enjoying it. So I'm currently studying the T-level engineering course. Last year I completed my T-level foundation year. In our T-level engineering course this year, we're currently doing a lot on quality management within the workplace and manufacture. I'm really enjoying the course. Last year it was easier because it was a foundation course. So now there's more challenging, more stuff to do. So I enjoy having to put in the extra work to get to where I need to get to.
Phoenix is coping well with the T-level. Again, having done the foundation year, that's helped him out enormously with planning and organisation. He is finding it challenging, there is a lot of work to do, but he's doing well.
A big part of what I got out of last year was working in the workshop and learning how to use the machines and different ways to work on materials. The foundation year's helped me to be more organised with the T-level, but it's eased me into it. Subjects we go over in the T-level currently, which we've gone over briefly last year, so it's helped me get my head around it a lot quicker and helped me understand it better. I feel like I could have done better in the foundation year by maybe achieving a distinction, but then I feel like I'm proud of what I managed to do and how I managed to get a merit and how well I was able to cope through that year. Once I finish my T-level, I'm hoping to go up to Oxford and do an apprenticeship there with ProDrive. I feel like I'm mostly excited just about learning more in the workshop and more hands-on and getting more experience with each machine in there, and maybe doing some welding this year or using the plasma cutter and just learning how to do that to help with my future years of what I want to go do.